Koopa, he did get his name from Super Mario Brothers. He is one of our most seasoned performers, who I guess is spinning today and throwing his own frisbees. I've lost it. Well, anyway, back to the show. If you follow us on social media, our info's right there. Keep a very close eye on Koopa in particular. He's picked up all of Kara's training extremely quickly and retained it, and we're very confident he'll do some amazing things in his life besides grow slobber. And he's racing for you, green team. Get loud for your boy! Ooh. 12.05, that will be a tough time to beat. Koopa, take your time, buddy. It's a 20-minute show. So there we go. We'll get him up there to that line. And again, the louder you cheer, the faster Koopa will run. 12.05 to beat. I think that's my cue. Ready, set, perfect. Good cheering. Through those weaves. That's what we want to see. Into the tunnel. Over the hurdle, around the barrel. Big moment here for the catch. What do you got, Koopa? Make some noise for Koopa! He did a great job out here! So 12.05 was the time to beat. Koopa's time, 12.02. Make some noise for both dogs. They both did a great job. That's pretty much the time also. Good job, Koopa. Big man. Well, we're having fun. Certainly sounds like you guys are having fun. Do y'all want to meet another dog? That is a relief, because we're bringing another dog out whether you cheered or not. But before the last dog comes out, we went over a couple different ways how dogs are champions for conservation. Dogs are champions of one other thing, and I feel all of you would agree with it. It's probably why you're here. Dogs are champions of our hearts. We love them very much. Since domesticated, they've been trained to do all sorts of amazing things. And Kara and I, we've been very blessed to show off several of those things right here today. Let's face it, dogs and humans, they go together like peanut butter and jelly. It just works. And this boy coming out, he absolutely is the peanut butter to my jelly. My little pig, his name is Nibbler! Hi, Big N. Hi, Snout. Come here, chunk. Oh, so heavy. Now, Nibbler here, he's a 3-year-old French bulldog. Not a pug, he's a Frenchie. He was a surrender to a vet's office when he was about 6 months old. His original owners loved him. Bit too neurotic for their lifestyle. I love his personality, and I think you will too. And if you see something you like, let my little pig know he's doing a good job. You ready? Don't eat my mic. Let's go, Nibbles! Let's hear from my little clown, Nibbler! Oh, that'll do, pig! That'll do just fine. And everybody, you are a wonderful crowd. But can I have one more big hand for all the other amazing dogs in the back that came out to perform? You did a very good job. Don't worry, I'll tell them, Nibbler. He's saying, if you'd like to meet a couple of our dogs, they're going to be available for you here in just a moment. We ask that all children are accompanied by a parent or guardian. That is for their safety as well as ours. And parents, if they don't want a pet, please don't make them. Form a line at the blue tape line, don't run, and we'll be out in just a few moments. Again, thank you so much.